Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is again Sir Tuf. And today pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba ang tamang pag-pronounce ng mga words na nag-e-end ng MB. So, I will be discussing that in just a bit after my intro. Let's get started. Okay, so ano ba talaga ang tamang pag-pronounce ng mga words na nag-e-end ng MB? So for example, ng climb, bam, at saka wom. So usually, the general rule is to drop the B or silent B. So for example, in the word climb, it's not climbed, but climb. So pag nilagyan natin yan ng ing, it would be pronounced or should be pronounced as climbing, not climbing. Same with comb. So, silent B, not comb. So, pag nilagyan yan ng ing, it should be pronounced as combing, not combing. We also have bum, not bumb. So, pag nilagyan ng er or ing, it should be bummer or bumming. Wom, not wommed. So, ito yung general rule kung ano ang tamang pag-pronounce ng mga words that ends with MB. So that would be all. Thank you. I hope you learned something about this video. Goodbye.